Carbide burrs are essential rotary tools for precision work in metalworking, woodworking, and fabrication, prized for their durability and versatility. Composed of tungsten carbide heads on steel shanks, these tools come in various shapes, each designed to tackle specific tasks efficiently. Selecting the right burr shape can make all the difference in achieving professional results without frustration. This in-depth article, informed by resources from tool manufacturers like AGS Tools and Norton Abrasives, as well as safety guidelines from OSHA, OSHA.gov, explains common carbide burr shapes, their ideal uses through narrated examples, and how flute designs interact with materials. We'll incorporate descriptions of static illustrations to visualize these concepts clearly. By the end, you'll have practical selection tips based on task complexity, helping you choose wisely for projects ranging from simple deburring to intricate engine modifications. Common carbide burr shapes and their ideal uses. Carbide burr shapes are engineered for specific cutting paths and access needs, with flute designs, the helical grooves, determining chip removal and finish quality. Single-cut flutes offer aggressive, coarser removal for soft materials, while double-cut provide finer, smoother results on harder ones. Below, we describe key shapes, narrated examples of their applications, and static illustrations to highlight flute interactions. Cylindrical burrs, for straight cuts and flat surfaces. Cylindrical burrs feature a straight, barrel-like profile, often with flat or rounded ends, making them perfect for creating straight cuts, slots, or flat areas. Their uniform shape allows for consistent material removal along linear paths, ideal for tasks requiring precision and evenness. Narrated example. Imagine modifying a steel bracket for a custom trailer. A cylindrical burr glides along the marked line, carving a straight slot for mounting hardware by rotating at 15,000 RPM, its flutes shearing off metal evenly without wandering, ensuring the bracket fits perfectly and withstands heavy loads. Static illustration. Picture a side view diagram of a cylindrical burr engaging a flat metal plate. The burr's straight body is shown in black outline, with blue arrows indicating directional force for straight cuts. Inset close-ups highlight double-cut flutes interacting with steel, tiny chips ejecting outward, versus single-cut on aluminum, where larger curls form to prevent clogging. Labels note uniform depth for slots and flute angle for efficient chip removal. Ball burrs, for rounding and contouring. Ball burrs have a spherical head, resembling a ball on a stick, which excels at rounding edges, hollowing out cavities, and creating smooth contours. This shape provides omnidirectional cutting, making it versatile for curved or irregular surfaces. Narrated example. Consider sculpting a rounded handle on a wooden tool for a craft project. A ball-shaped burr rolls gently over the wood's curves, rounding off sharp edges by following the natural contours, its rounded tip preventing gouges while the flutes lift away fine shavings, resulting in an ergonomic grip that's comfortable for prolonged use. Static illustration. A cross-section drawing shows the ball burr nestled in a concave metal surface, with red dashed lines tracing the rounding path. Flute details are magnified. Intersecting double-cut lines on hard brass create fine dust, contrasted with parallel single-cut on soft plastic for broader removal. Annotations include spherical for smooth radii and even pressure distribution to avoid flats. Flame burrs for contours and undercuts. Flame burrs taper to a pointed tip, mimicking a flame's shape, which allows them to access contours, undercuts, and V-grooves with ease. Their gradual narrowing provides control in tight or angled spaces. Narrated example. In an aerospace shop prepping a turbine component. A flame-shaped burr navigates the curved undercut of a steel blade, tapering the edge smoothly by angling into the groove at 20,000 RPM, its pointed tip reaching hidden areas while flutes channel away heat and debris, ensuring aerodynamic precision without weakening the part. Static illustration. An angled view illustrates the flame burr delving into a V-groove on titanium, with green shading showing material removal gradients. Flute close-ups compare single cuts wide channels for quick aluminum contouring versus double cuts fine grid for detailed steelwork. Callouts read taper for undercuts and flute spiral for debris ejection in confined spaces. Additional shapes, tree, cone, and inverted cone. Beyond the basics, other shapes expand your toolkit. Tree burrs, pointed with a rounded nose, great for detailed engraving and tight grooves. Narrated example. A tree-shaped burr excels at accessing tight grooves by following curved paths in an engine manifold, its pointed end snaking through narrow channels to deburr without enlarging the space, perfect for auto enthusiasts tuning classic cars. Cone burrs, tapered to a point for chamfering and countersinking. Narrated. Example. On a brass fitting for equipment, a cone burr bevels the hole's edge precisely, widening it gradually to accept a bolt, preventing cracks in the soft metal during assembly. Inverted cone burrs, wider at the tip for deburring holes and creating bevels from inside. Narrated example. Inside a drilled aluminum plate, sure, thinks it is sense. An inverted cone burr flares the opening from within, smoothing burrs that could snag wires in electrical projects. Static illustration for these shapes. A composite diagram groups tree, cone, and inverted cone burrs interacting with wood and metal samples. Tree flutes are shown spiraling into a groove with chip arrows. Cone tapers highlight bevel angles on edges. Inverted cone depicts internal expansion. Material interactions are color-coded. Yellow for wood shavings, gray for metal chips, with notes like pointed access for details and taper control for bevels. Selection tips based on task complexity. Choosing the right carbide burr shape depends on your project's complexity. Simple tasks might need one versatile burr, while intricate ones require a set. For beginners, start with a basic kit from suppliers, focusing on shank size compatibility, 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch with your rotary tool. Low complexity, e.g., basic deburring. Opt for cylindrical or ball burrs for straightforward edges. They're forgiving and multi-purpose, ideal for quick repairs where time is limited. Medium complexity, e.g., contouring parts. Flame or tree shapes handle curves and tight spots effectively. Pair with double cut for finer finishes on metals like steel. High complexity, e.g., precision engine work. Combine shapes like cone and inverted cone for layered tasks. Assess material, single cut for soft, double for hard, and test on scrap to avoid errors. General advice. Consider cut type based on material, single for rapid removal on aluminum, double for smooth on titanium. Always prioritize safety. Wear PPE and secure workpieces. For more guidance, check SGS Tools' online catalogs, sgstool.com, or OSHA's rotary tool resources. By understanding these shapes and their applications, you'll select tools that enhance efficiency and results. Whether tackling a weekend project or professional fabrication, the right burr turns challenges into achievements.